Hi guys, it's Ria here and we're back for another Airbnb review. Today's location will be in Ayase, Tokyo, Japan. So let's get started! Okay, so let's go back to the entrance first. This is a studio apartment which I shared with my mom, and it could fit up to 2 max. On the left is the kitchen. Like any other Japanese kitchen, it's very small but very complete. Everything you need is there, even tissue, which I love. There's also air conditioning, so that's the remote to the air conditioning, and water heater for our coffee in the morning, thank God. We also have pocket Wi-Fi, which we didn't really use because we had our own. A mirror and a double bed. And the best part is this table because we get to chill out in this area in the morning. Also, the closet contains hangers, chairs, and the cleaning materials. The vacuum is there. So now let's check out the view of the balcony. This is also where the clothesline is. And unfortunately, there's no washing machine in this room. This could be a downside for you, especially if you're staying for a long time in this place. Anyway, this is the view from the room. There's nothing really special about it. Right across you see the school and a park. I find the view very relaxing, making me forget that I'm actually in Tokyo. It's a residential area and tourists don't normally go to this area because it's really far. To give you an idea, it would take you about 45 minutes to get to Harajuku via train, so that's far. Anyway, let's check out the bathroom. It's a normal bathroom, but there's no bidet, which is sad. But there's water heater in the shower and in the faucet. So that makes up for the lack of bidet. We also have shampoo, lotion. No, that's shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And of course, tissue. Thankfully, they're very generous with tissue, so that's a plus for me. This is just the cabinet which I forgot to show earlier. It just contains the soap for laundry. So because they don't have the washing machine, they just provide you with soap so you can use it. And another thing that I forgot to show you is the refrigerator. They also have a refrigerator which is empty, and just this cabinet which contains the cooking stuff. That's about it for the room. Now let's check out the neighborhood. As mentioned earlier, the nearest station is Ayase on the Chiyoda line of Tokyo Metro Station. Although it's far from most tourist attractions, the good thing about it is that Ayase is walking distance to the Airbnb, around 10 to 15 minutes, so that's convenient. You can purchase a Tokyo Metro Pass which you can use for a certain period of time for a limited number of rides. This is what we used, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys, especially if you are in a budget, because it really saved me a lot of money. Moving on, I would say that the best thing about this Airbnb would be its proximity to discount groceries. I love grocery shopping, so when I found out about the discount groceries around the area, I was so excited to shop. I even compared it with the prices in Donki, and the discount groceries were definitely a lot cheaper. So when it comes to restaurants around the area, there's just so many options. There's even Denny's, there's even KFC, although I wouldn't really know if you would want to eat those food in Japan because hello, Japanese food is the best. So that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you find this helpful. Goodbye.